Hi guys, this is Seokchon Lake. It's not too far from where I live. It's in an area called Jamsil. It's stunning in autumn time. I'm so happy that I can actually take you guys to all of these different places. Seokchon Lake is divided into the east and west lakes, and in the center is Jamsil Bridge, which allows cars and pedestrians to cross north to south. There are many attractions nearby, including the 5th tallest skyscraper in the world, the Lotte Tower. Inside the West Lake sits the Lotte Amusement Park, and you can often hear screams of excitement echo across the lake from excited roller coaster riders. The area directly behind me is kind of like a little stage where local performers come and showcase their talent. I was once here, this was about 2 years ago in winter. I watched a performer sing some classic Beatles songs. You see like a lot of people playing love songs and romantic things like that, and a lot of couples tend to come and watch. Is the deciduous street festival here at Seokchon Lake. It's filled with king cherry trees. There are ginkgo trees here and maple trees, and the combination of those particularly colourful trees make this place really stunning. If I'd been here last weekend, it was the peak of the autumn festival here. The most interesting thing though about Seokchon Lake is how it was made. Seokchon Lake was originally part of the Han River. An island called Burido sat in the middle of the Han River, which divided the Han River into two. The northern Han River was called Songpa and the southern Sinchon. Beginning in 1971, construction to develop the land began connecting Burido to the mainland. Songpa River was widened and Sinchon River was closed off from the Han. Sinchon was contained into a lake, which became Seokchon. And the reclaimed land today is called Jamsil and Sincheon-dong. And on top of this reclaimed land sits the 123-story Lotte World Tower.